Hello friends, good morning all of you. Today date is 5th February 2022. First of all, introduce myself. My name is Sachin Sanjay Kuge. Recently I had completed BE in Mechanical Engineer from Nasik in SBIT Service Sector Institute of Technology. And I have a 1 year experience also in mechanical industry. But in present time, I will start the career in IT industries as a Java web developer, and I have joined Hepshine Institute in Pune, in Ankaudi, and we will learn the Java web developer, and we will learn about the Java code. So let's come to our point. So today our topic is abstraction method and encapsulation method, and after and we will go into discussion about these methods. In this topic we will cover the definition of abstraction method and some examples and short explanation about the abstraction method and their types, and definition of encapsulation method and their example. We will first of all we will see the abstraction method. So what is meant by abstraction method? So simply, abstraction method is a method to achieve the pending tasks or achieve the pending part. It's called as an abstraction method. Means what? We take one example. So after that we will understand the abstraction method. Suppose we create or we develop one bungalow, and we have the plan about this bungalow, and in this plan we have developed a kitchen, bedroom and hall, and we will start the develop of bungalow. So we develop a kitchen, we develop a bedroom, but I have know about the I have know about the plan about the hall, but I can develop this hall, and we will accept this hall is develop another developer, and we write a name the abstract hall, and another developer is come, and we can extend we extend this bungalow in this developer, and this developer will start the first of all abstract the hall. It's called as a abstraction method. There are two types. First one is abstract method and second one is interface method. In abstract method, to achieve only and only abstract part or a pending part, and in abstract method there is we can use the concrete method and non-abstract method. In interface method, to achieve the only abstract method, but we cannot use the concrete method in this interface method. So after that we will see the encapsulation method. In encapsulation method, encapsulation means what? It is the hidden data type. Means we can store our hidden data in private. It's called as an encapsulation method. Example is ATM. In ATM, some data is hidden about this. This data is how available amount in this ATM is known about only for ATM. I don't in another everyone outside person, we don't about the present amount is what or available amount is what. So ATM says that you can want any amount, you can put it ATM and I have available this amount, I will take the, I will give this amount. So it's called as a encapsulation. Means encapsulation is means what, we can store the hidden type data in encapsulation method. It's called as a encapsulation method. So a simple example is ATM. So that's of all overall introduction in abstraction method and encapsulation method. I hope you will understand about you will understand both method. So that's of all abstraction method or encapsulation method. Thank you so much.